3½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, and give that a mix. 1 3/4 cups of warm water. We're going to give it a mix. It's going to be a sticky dough. Get to mixing. Just like that. Cover with some plastic wrap. Stick her somewhere warm. Let her rise 6 to 8 hours. Stretch and pull 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Form into a ball. Just like that. Cover and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 425. Preheat an empty large Dutch oven with lid for 30 minutes at 425. Make a slit right down the middle. Dust with flour. Transfer it to your preheated Dutch oven on parchment paper. Bake covered for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover and then back into the oven for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Just like that. Now, let her cool. For the sandwich bread, you need 6 cups of all-purpose flour. And to measure it, you have to spoon it and level it. Exactly 6 cups. No more, no less. 2 tablespoons of instant dry yeast. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Lower it. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 2 cups of really warm water, like 120 degrees warm. And 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. If you don't have coarse salt, then it is 1½ tablespoons of regular salt, like table salt. We're gonna mix this up until a very shaggy dough forms. If you don't have one of these, use a heavy-duty wooden spoon. Just like that. Now turn it out onto a clean surface. And we're gonna knead it for 4 minutes until the dough becomes smooth. Form the dough into a ball. Place it into a bowl and cover it with some plastic wrap. Set it somewhere warm and draft-free for at least 30 minutes. This recipe makes 2 loaves of bread, so you need to spray 2 loaf pans with some non-stick cooking spray. Yeah, that's it. After 30 minutes, your dough should be doubled in size. Just pretty. Dump her out and split her in half. Then you form your dough into loaves to the best of your ability. Drizzle the top of your loaves with a little bit of olive oil. Just like that. Then take a really sharp knife and we're gonna just do some slashes about 1/4 inch deep into our bread. Just the top of the bread, don't go all the way through. Just like that. To a cold oven, add a pan full of water on the bottom and bake for 40 minutes. When the bread is done, remove from the pans and place on a wire rack to cool. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And you're just going to whisk this together until it is just combined. Don't get rid of all the lumps. Some lumps are good. Add in 1/2 cup of cheddar and 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now you're going to mix this till the cheese is combined. Add the batter to a loaf pan and then spread it out evenly. Make it look nice in the pan. Sprinkle the top with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese right out of the bag, like 1/4 cup. So just like that. Now bake it for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Or until it's golden brown. Just like that. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter, add a half a teaspoon of garlic salt and a half a teaspoon of parsley, and then you're gonna brush your hot bread with your butter. It's gonna be so good. It's crispy on the outside, it's all fluffy in the middle. Six cups of bread flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 2/3 cups of canola oil. Should look like this. When you squeeze it together, it holds its form. 2 1/4 cups of boiling water, a half a cup at a time. Pinch off balls smaller than the palm of your hand. Roll out your dough to resemble a tortilla. To an extremely hot pan, slap a tortilla in there. It's a bubbling. Let's flip her. What? Y'all, that's a tortilla. Tortillas. Hot. Better go make it.